How to add money to your PayPal account. If you want to add money to your PayPal account so that you can use it for online purchases or to transfer money at any point, you can first go to the PayPal website and log into your account. From your summary page, look for your PayPal balance. In that section, select the Transfer Money button just below your balance amount. From here, you can select to transfer money into your account by clicking Add Money to Your Balance. If you have a bank account already linked to your PayPal account, your information will automatically appear, and you can then enter the amount of money that you want to transfer from your bank account into your PayPal account. Once you have your information entered, click Add. You'll then have a review of the amount that you're adding to your PayPal balance, and if you need to edit it, you can just select Change on the right-hand side. Finally, to transfer the money, select Add once again. Your transfer from your bank account to your PayPal balance has now been processed. If we select Go to Wallet, currently our PayPal balance still says $0 because it does take up to 3 to 5 business days for the money to transfer. So you want to make sure that you allow yourself enough time for the transfer to be processed. And that's how to add money to your PayPal account. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below. And don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.